And here is the approximate orientation of how the two parts of the mine fit together. The radio location equipment for the underground team is set up on the surface and tested before deployment. Power supply, control box and the transmitter beacon wire core mounted on a wooden cross frame. The blue test donut flashes red when placed within the transmitting beacon, confirming it is operating. The underground team are going to use both entrances to the mine. Firstly, they will go in via the new entrance and then come out and re-enter via the older original entrance. This is being done as it is quicker than taking the underground route between the two ends of the mine. The first job for the underground team is to set up the OGOF phone, and once the communications links have been established, the radio transmission beacon can be set up. The wooden cross with the coil of wire on it has to be put flat on the floor. A spirit level is used to make sure that it is completely horizontal so that the signal does not veer off at an angle, giving a false location and depth. The initial aerial footage gives a view roughly south, with the cars running along the A40 in the distance. Underground, the test ring is used again to make sure it is transmitting, and the surface team are then advised via the OGOF phone that they can start. Looking north towards the village of Windrush, the filled gully that once led to what is presumed to be another old mine entrance is very obvious from the air. It is running left to right across the picture. On the surface, Andy Bell has a similar piece of equipment, the receiver, which he holds in his hand vertically. He walks across the ground in the hoped-for location, moving his arm back and forth, listening to the signal. It's a series of beeps fed into a set of headphones. He is after the null point, which is when the beeping stops.